Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Let us learn about Chemsketch Part 3. In the Part 1 video, we learn about how to draw a structure, generate name of the structure and also smile notation and others. In the Part 2 video, how to install Chemsketch, view the table of the element and select options and others. Those who missed the Part 1 and Part 2 video, link is in description. Please watch it there. Let us start part 3 video. In the part 3 video, I take aniline as our structure. This is the zoom in option. This is the zoom out option. Then this is the full page. Like this it appears. Page width like this it appears. And also fit all like this it appears. Full fit all. And 25%. So many small appear. We select page width. Then this option is reaction calculator, and this is atom map, and this is bracket tool, and this one is change position. By using this change position, we change the position of the molecule like this. Okay, this is the set bond horizontally. By using this, select this option, set bond horizontally like this. We select some bond. Okay, then select this. Like this, set bond horizontally. It is formed like this. By clicking on the mouse right button, it changes the position like this, and also like this it work on only the bond like this, and also this is set bond horizontally. By go to this bond and click on mouse mouse left button, it changes their position like this. And this is flip on bond. By changing this flip on bond, which appear like this. And this is flip top to bottom, like this. Flip top to bottom, flip right to left, like this. Flip right to left, it a form. Then this is the option of instant template. By using this instant template, we form like this instant template. How many we draw? Like this it is drawn. And this is the search for structure. By using this is the, then take carbon, then we choose search for structure. First select the structure, then click on this search for structure, like it is not appear. Okay, this is the generate name of the structure. This is the INCHL for structure. This is the INCHI name, which is same like smile notation. By using this, we search the structure. By using this INCHI code. This is the option of PubChem. By using PubChem, we search the structure like this. First select the structure, then PubChem, then search in browser. Like it loading. The toluene structure, it has tail. This is the toluene structure, methyl benzene. So like this, we have to go to PubChem also, e molecules also, Chemspider also, and others. and this option it is the clean structure. By using this, structure is clean like this. It is not in the clean form, it is not in the correct format. By select this and select this option clean, like it forms like chain like formation like clean structure. And this is the check the tautomer forms, and this is the 3D optimization. First select the option, this is 3D optimization. This is the 3D optimization of the structure. It forms CH, CH and CH3 like this toluene it is forms. And by using this option, mass spec scissors are formed as, then okay, then it is forms like this. Then by using this 3D viewer we also select, this is the 3D structure of the toluene which is appear like this. This is the option by come to legs, then it is forms ACD 3D object. Clear current page, keep page contents, anything you select like this. It appears 3D structure of the toluene it is appear. Okay, then click, then erase it. Okay, then take this carbon atom, then CH3, then this is check for the tautomer form. This is mass spectra as earlier. Calculated selected property of the selected structure. It appears as molecular formula, formulary weight, composition and others it appears. And also this is biosequence tools like this. It have citrullin and also cyclohexylalanine and also 2-amino adipic acid and also serine, threonine and also valine. Like this structure it appears. By using this, this option is appear. Let's select. Like this structure it forms, and also chain it is forms like this by using this. And also this is the letter view, and this is the description, and this is the expand structure, and this is the collapse structure, and this is the biosequence preference, and this is the create biosequence. Like this it appears. And also this is the table of radicals. By using this table of radicals we done carboxyl group like this. And also by using this alanine like this structure it also formed like this. And also in this acetyl group is also present. And also this is the usual template. By using this, import any structure which is present in your folder by using export like this folder. Open it and import the structure into the Chemsketch software. So like this Chemsketch forms the properties for the both chemistry students and researchers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and click on bell icon to receive notification. Thank you.